Hi, it's Steve. Today we're going to show you how to change the shock absorber on your washer, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 7mm nut driver or socket and ratchet, a small flat blade screwdriver, and an adjustable wrench. Let me show you how we do it. Now the first step in this repair will be to disconnect the power, so pull the plug. And on this model there are 3 screws across the bottom of the lower access panel that we'll need to remove. And just lift that panel away and set it aside. Now with the front lower access panel removed, we can easily change either of the front shocks. If you need to replace the back ones, you will need to remove the back panel to get better access. So using a small flat blade screwdriver, we'll locate the top of that shock mount. You'll see a little locking tab there. So we'll just depress that tab with the screwdriver. At the same time, we're going to take our adjustable wrench, fit it across the top portion of that shock, and then just rotate it counterclockwise. That will release the little arrowhead fastener at the top. Now for the bottom, we'll again use our adjustable wrench. It's a little more difficult to access that locking tab on the bottom, but we don't really need to worry about it because the new shock will have a new base on it. So we're just going to turn that again with the wrench. It will be a little stiffer if we haven't removed that locking tab. Then we can lift the whole assembly out and discard it. Now to install the new shock, we'll put the open end down, and then we're going to line up that arrowhead with the slot in the base. Then we'll rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. You may need your adjustable wrench to do that. You hear it lock into place until it comes up against the stop and the locking tabs engage. Now to install the top, we'll simply extend that shock, line up the arrowhead with the opening in the base of the tub, and then we're going to rotate that clockwise so the locking tabs snap into place and it's up against the stop in the base of the tub. And now we can put our lower access panel back on. Now our last step will be to reinstall that access panel. And we're just going to tuck this lip up in behind the front panel. And then hold it up in place and install the 3 screws across the bottom. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete.